Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nelca again, and another question from our YouTube subscriber about street lighting design or road lighting design. This question is from Shinu KJ, and he said, Nelca, this video is really good after he watches one and very informative. Is it possible to do catenary lighting or rope street lighting instead of pole design in Dialux? And the answer for that one, Shinu, is yes. Of course, it's possible. The catenary lighting is possible in Dialux Evo, and we will do it now. So I open this file, the Dialux Evo. I open it already, and I go to the street lighting here. You can go to build or street lighting, and then I will select one catenary luminaire for street lighting from Thorn Lighting website. And now I'll go to the products, and I'll go to the outdoor, and I'll go to the road lighting tab here, and I will select this Victoria here. And for example, this one Victoria is a catenary lighting. You can suspend it or you can put it in the pole if you like. So what we're going to do, let's select, for example, a 45 watt for 8 meters. Okay, the height is also here. Okay, let's try the 45 watt, and just press the Dialux text there, and then it will download and say save, and then press it at the bottom here, and now it goes directly to your Dialux Evo file, which is already opened here. So now I have this catenary luminaire for road lighting. So what I'm going to do is I will just say add road luminaire arrangement, and now as a default it will just go with a pole. So what you're going to do is you'll go to here and you will uncheck the pole geometry. Just uncheck that one, and now it's floating in the sky. So go to the plan view, and then this road is a 2-lane road, and it's 7.5 meters, I think. So I'll just go here and say I will offset this one or overhang it as 3.5, so it will be in the middle. So now you can see that my luminaire is now in the middle. Let's open this one. Okay, but you can see that my luminaire has road optic. So what I'm going to do is I will rotate my luminaire into 90 degrees. Now it's like that, and you can see, okay, let's see if it's not 90 degrees. Okay, 0 is fine. So you can see here at the top that boom boom. Okay, fine, it's achieved the required lux level. So you can see now here that it's okay, and all are checked. So yes, your name, Shinu, yeah, it's possible and it's easy. So just follow this step and you will have now your catenary road lighting design. Okay, so if you want to know more and if you want to learn more about road lighting or street lighting design, including the roundabout, just go to my Udemy course, Street Lighting, and you will learn a lot of stuff about road lighting design, including the standards and tips and tricks. Alright, so see you again next video. Bye.